Command health, command life. Of the various elements in life, good health is of the utmost importance. Due to the hectic lifestyle of modern society, many of us suffer from excessive psychological stress, abnormal routines, and dietary habits over the long term. These negative elements, coupled with external environmental factors, can greatly impact our health. This could result in health problems such as autonomic nervous system disorders, fatigue, lethargy, poor quality of sleep, loss of appetite, upset stomach, chest tightness, headaches, pain, etc. Yet hospital checkups may yield no abnormalities or potential illnesses. According to statistics, only 15% of the global population truly meets the standards for good health. 15% suffer from ailments of some kind, while 70% are considered to be in a state of pseudo-health. This is a borderline status between being healthy and sick. If overlooked for a long period of time, it may result in the onset of illnesses. That is why we should all focus more on disease prevention and the maintenance of health to greatly reduce the threat various diseases pose to human life and health as we embrace a healthier lifestyle. New breakthrough in medical technology, Chinese and Western medicine complementing each other. According to TCM, traditional Chinese medicine theory, meridians and pressure points are gateways to one's health. Once the body is sick, the energy and blood flow in the body's meridians will become obstructed. Acupuncture can be utilized to stimulate pressure points and improve the direction energy flows in the meridians. This adjustment of energy and blood flow maintains a healthy balance within the body. Acupuncture is one of the most recognized scientific therapies of Chinese medicine by the medical community worldwide. After several decades of clinical acupuncture research in the West, acupuncture is now viewed as a complementary alternative therapy in modern medicine. In addition, modern medicine has proven that magnetic waves are able to affect the human body through the response to magnetic fields within the body's meridians, which stimulates energy and improves the body's functionality. Electromagnetic waves can stimulate pressure points to open up meridians. The strengths of Chinese and Western medicine can be combined in a complementary manner to offer differing degrees of medical treatment. With over a decade of R&D efforts by many doctors of Chinese medicine and various scholars and experts, Eno Health Technology Company Limited has successfully developed the iDoc electro-acupuncture device, which combines magnetic waves with a traditional acupuncture experience by using electronic technology to treat pressure points in the palm in a manner like acupuncture. Traditional acupuncture requires extensive time and space constraints, and its effectiveness is often closely tied to the level of experience of the acupuncturist. This is why it is relatively difficult to do by oneself and risky for health reasons. There is now a simpler, easier way to achieve the same effect as acupuncture with the iDoc electro-acupuncture device. This non-invasive treatment is low risk and with no risk of the worrying side effects and strain on the body caused by taking medication. In addition to helping users understand their own health condition, the iDoc electro-acupuncture device relieves conditions at the same time. It is truly a state-of-the-art healthcare product. Dual function both identifies acupoints and provides relief, allowing you to take your health in your own hands. It has long been proven that acupoints in the hands, ears, and throughout the body are physically linked to various other parts of the human body. The iDoc electro-acupuncture device utilizes electric current and magnetic waves to stimulate acupoints. When an organ in the body suffers from discomfort, abnormal bioelectricity is reflected on an acupoint in the hand along the meridians, and a prickling sensation is produced. Varying degrees of pain serve as an indicator of one's health status and potentially alarming conditions within the body. After